Hi everyone. Now I am starting with Generalize tool in spatial category. The Generalize tool is used to simplify and reduce the complexity of polygon geometries within a spatial dataset. It's part of the Spatial Analysis toolset and is commonly used in Geographic Information System (GIS) tasks for generalization and data reduction. Applications of the Generalize tool include simplifying complex polygon datasets to improve performance and reduce file size without significantly sacrificing spatial accuracy. Pre-processing spatial data for cartographic display, particularly when creating maps at smaller scales where detailed features are less important. Generating simplified representations of boundaries or administrative areas for thematic mapping or spatial analysis tasks. Overall, the Generalize tool in alteryx provides a useful capability for simplifying polygon geometries within your spatial datasets, allowing you to balance spatial accuracy with data reduction and performance considerations. Then after, the heat map tool generates polygons representing different levels of heat in a given area. Then after, the Make Grid tool in alteryx is used to create a grid of regularly spaced points or polygons covering a specified area. It's commonly used in spatial analysis tasks for creating sampling grids, defining study areas, or generating input datasets for spatial modeling. Applications of the Make Grid tool include sampling design, creating systematic or random sampling grids for field surveys or environmental monitoring. Study area definition, generating regular grids to define study areas or analysis zones for spatial modeling or statistical analysis. Data aggregation, aggregating data to grid cells for spatial analysis or visualization tasks, such as rasterization of point data or spatial interpolation. Overall, the Make Grid tool in alteryx provides a flexible and convenient way to generate regular grids of points or polygons for various spatial analysis and modeling applications. Then after, the Polysplit tool is used for splitting polygons based on a line or another polygon. This tool is particularly useful in spatial analysis tasks where you need to divide polygonal features into smaller segments or parts based on specific criteria. Applications of the Polysplit tool include hydrological analysis, splitting watershed boundaries based on river networks or drainage lines to delineate subbasins or catchment areas. Infrastructure planning, dividing land parcels or administrative boundaries based on proposed road alignments or development zones. Cartographic representation, creating thematic maps by splitting thematic regions or zones based on political boundaries or other features. Overall, the Polysplit tool in alteryx provides a versatile capability for splitting polygons based on lines or polygons, facilitating various spatial analysis and data processing tasks. Then after, the Polybuild tool is used to create polygons based on specified vertices or coordinates. It's a tool commonly employed in spatial analysis tasks where you need to generate custom polygon geometries. Applications of the Polybuild tool include boundary definition, creating custom polygon boundaries for study areas, administrative regions, or land parcels. Geofencing, generating polygons to define geographic boundaries for spatial queries or analysis. Cartographic representation, drawing custom shapes or symbols on maps to highlight specific features or areas of interest. Overall, The PolyBuild tool in alteryx provides a flexible and convenient way to generate custom polygon geometries based on specified coordinates or attributes. See this tools how this are working.